What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me. That's me. Look, I'm about to do some bourbon chicken. Yeah, you know the bourbon chicken that using in the food court when you go to the mall and they have samples of it and they always offer you some to try their version of bourbon chicken at the Asian or Oriental restaurant. So I've learned how to make it. So you can make it yourself now after I show you how to do it. Because if the blind man can do it, you can do it too. So let's get these ingredients together. There's a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it tastes just like the bourbon chicken in the mall. All right, let's get busy, y'all. All right, let's get this sauce together. There's a lot of ingredients, y'all. So let's get it together. So in this bowl here, I'm about to put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Put that to the side. Right here is a 1/2 cup of apple juice. Right here is, let me see what this is. Let me smell it. This is a 1/2 cup of homemade chicken stock that I made. I keep chicken stock on hand. Fresh chicken stock. Right here is 2/3 cups of soy sauce. I'm going to put all this stuff in the description box too. You go to my YouTube channel. Right here is 1/3 cup of bourbon. Yeah, I'm using Southern Comfort. What else I got on this side? That's all on that side? Yeah, okay. Right here, I'm about to put 1/3 cup of ketchup. So put all that ketchup in there. 1/3 cup of ketchup. What else I got? Right here, this is 1 cup of what is this? Brown sugar. Remember that sauce is a sticky sauce. Okay. What else I got here? Oh, I got 1 cup of water. Put that in there. And we're going to put 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of the crushed pepper. So put that in there. I want to make sure it's that everything. And yeah, I think that's everything. All right, now let's whisk this all together. Then I'll show y'all the chicken. You know, then as this starts cooking, we also got to add some cornstarch and water to thicken this up. So let's whisk this together. All right, got that all mixed up. Y'all see that right there? So gonna put that to the side. That's our sauce that we're gonna cook down. Now right here, I cut up some chicken breasts. That's about 2 to 3 chicken breasts. I cut them into small pieces. All right, in there, I want to put about just some kosher salt. Measure. So I put about 2 teaspoons. That's it. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Some fresh ground black pepper. Just a few turns. I say about a teaspoon. Come on, pepper. Okay, that's enough. And we're going to put sprinkle 2 tablespoons. Oh, I forgot. Oh, wait. And put some olive oil in here. Let me put about a tablespoon of olive oil. There we go. Okay, about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. Let me get my glove, and we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, because we're about to fry this down. We want it a little crunchy. So let me stir this up. Okay, let me sprinkle me some cornstarch in here. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. What I did was I watched a whole bunch of videos, listen, and read a whole bunch of recipes, and I just combined a whole bunch of stuff. I seen just one guy recipe that I really liked, so I say let me take majority of the way he did it. But he did his on a barbecue grill. So, oh no, I ain't got my grill set up yet. I don't have my pit yet. Or I have my pit, but my brother haven't put it together yet. So, all right, that's that right there. Now let's get to frying. All right, I got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil in my skillet. Let's drop this chicken in there. I might do it in 2 batches because I don't want to crawl the chicken. Let's see here. Let me see, is that enough? Let me turn my fire up some. Oh, I can put some more in there. All right, let me let this fry down. Gonna fry it down for about 8 minutes. You want it 80% cooked because you're gonna finish it off in the sauce. All right, so let that fry down. All right, been about 6 minutes, y'all. We got about 2 more minutes left. We just want to give these a nice, make sure they cooked all the way through and a nice golden brown. All right, been about 8 minutes, y'all. And I can go ahead and take this batch here out. Put it in my bowl with the paper towel so that it drain. And then I can put that next batch in. All right, y'all. Y'all see my chicken? So my chicken is done. Hope y'all can see that. All right. I got my fire on medium. And I put some olive oil in there. Now we're about to put, where is it? I'm about to put in about 5 cloves of fresh minced garlic. So that's about another tablespoon of olive oil in the skillet. We're gonna saute down this fresh garlic, about 5 cloves. All right. Then we're gonna add the sauce in there. Right, that garlic is sauteing. I don't want to burn it, so let's give our sauce another whisk. And we're gonna put this in the skillet. I hope my skillet big enough. I don't know why I chose this small one. All right. Now let's put this. Make sure I'm over the skillet. Let's go ahead and add this in there. We're going to let this come to a boil. There we go. All right. There go our bourbon sauce. Like I say, we're going to let this come to a boil. Then we're going to add some cornstarch and water to thicken it. All right. Be right back. Y'all see this is coming to a boil. Okay, I'm about to turn it down, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So turn the fire down, give it a stir, and let this simmer about 15 minutes till you get about half of the half reduced. All right, y'all, it's been simmering for 15 minutes. Now we're about to put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with just a half a cup of water. We're gonna just whisk it in there. So this is our thickener. Got to thicken it up. Thicken that sauce up. right, y'all. See, look at that sauce then thickened up. About 3 minutes it has thickened up. So now what you want to do is, see, that's good and thick. Go ahead and add your chicken. Add your chicken to your sauce. Let that chicken simmer in there. And then lastly, we're going to add some green onions in there. Make sure I get that in there without putting the paper towel in there. And that's all it is to it. I'm going to tell y'all the reason why I decided to make this. I'm going to tell you the reason why. So stir that chicken in there. All right, be right back. All right, let's add some green onions in there. Sprinkle those green onions in there. And that's it. There go your bourbon chicken. You can make it yourself. The reason I decided to make this because, you know, you usually get these at the Asian food, in the food court in the mall. And last time I went there a few months ago, that lady was very kind of like mean to me. So I said, you know what? I told her to keep it. I can make it myself. That's a good thing about being a good cook. You can make it yourself. All right, y'all. All right, and there you go. There go your bourbon chicken, like you see in the mall. All right, let's do a taste test, y'all. All right, here go my chicken. It is done. Y'all see me make it. You know how they have on the toothpicks. I cooked me some rice, though, and put mine over some rice. So let's taste. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. It really don't matter, because it's good either way. Y'all, this is just like the mall. Well, I'm about to put me some over some rice. And y'all have a blessed day. Go make you some bourbon chicken. Bye, y'all.